Hey guys, and thanks for stopping by today. Today we're going to be making this adorable little penguin. Lots of fun, really easy to make, so let's get started. Roll up some of my wool tightly. I find it easier to start off smaller and make a smaller ball and then add wool around that to make it bigger, rather than try and make a big ball all in one go. Needle felt that out all over. I'm using my 36 gauge star needle. And roll it around. I'm going to build up my ball to make it bigger. And just a little bit more again. And now we make a smaller ball for the head. Okay, so now let's attach the head. And carefully needle felt around the base of the head into the body. Then we take some more of our black carded wool and we needle felt that into the base of the head and down onto the top of the body, going all the way around. A bit more. Use your fingers to help shape the wool again. Using my template, I'm cutting out the front body detail on some cream merino pre-felt. So this is pre-felt fabric. It's really soft. Okay, so we're going to position the head area first to make sure that we get that in the correct place. And needle felt that on. And I've swapped now to my 38 star needle. So once that's in position, I'm now going around needle felting on some cream Corridale carded wool, and I'm going to follow the pattern of the pre-felt. And I'm using some black wool felt fabric, just ordinary wool felt fabric, to make the wings. And I'm using some of the black carded wool now, just a really thin layer, and needle felting that using my fine needle onto the felt fabric wings. So on this little guy, I just attached some little stem back eyes. I haven't glued them in yet, so need to do that. But on this one, I decided to just needle felt on some little happy eyelids. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to carefully mark those out just above halfway. attach the wings now, so decide how you want them, if you want them to go up like this or down. I'm going to do these ones downwards, and then just lightly felt into position. And once you're happy with the position, take some of your black carded wool and needle felt a little bit just over the tops of the shoulders into the body. And we line up the other way. Right, so I'm going to make the bobble hat from pre-felt. You can use any colour pre-felt you like. Okay, now we lay a fine layer of cream carded wool over our pre-felt fabric for our hat and needle felt that on. Needle felt all this top curve area together, folding over like this. Lift and turn and needle felt through the other side all across the top. For our bobble hat. And we make the little ball for the bobble on the top of the hat. Tease out some of the fibre at the bottom and needle felt that on. And we just glue the pre-felt strip on. And if you've got a wooden peg, then it helps if you just peg that together and let it dry. Alternatively, you can sew the little Christmas hat from felt fabric. And just make the feet. And then we're going to needle felt through using some black carded wool. So just needle felt those on. Again, a fine needle helps to go through the felt fabric easier than the thicker needle. Okay, and I'm just putting a little bit more black carded wool now across the base of the feet. Okay, and to help our penguin stand up easier, I'm needle felting firmly through the base, and then use your fingers to help flatten. Okay, I'm going to needle felt on a little bit of pink wool onto the cheeks. And make the little beak. So we cut that out on the fold of fabric. And we fold the beak so that the bottom half is a little bit shorter than the top. And a little bit of fabric glue across the bend. Just glue that on. So just needle felting a little cube for the little penguin's present. So just use your fingers to help shape as you felt. there you go, that's our little penguin all finished. I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and you've found it useful. If so, please like and subscribe. Look out for each other, stay magical, and we'll see you back here soon.